Yes, climate change, we are closing by. So, this video is gonna be like a joke or maybe something inspirational to you. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to give some ways to help this climate change improve to what we don't wanna go to. Like as you can see in this picture. The no green spaces here. Why there's a green space? This is where we wanna go. So probably you see some merch about climate change. Yeah, maybe you can open a shop, online shop or something that you sell and tell people about climate change, and they buy those shirts. And with this revenue, maybe you can help with climate change, and in the same time, you help people understand that they should do action about it. And other thing that I may ask you to do is like do house planting, cause yeah, it helps with oxygen and that stuff. It all even reduce the CO2, so you actually reducing the CO2 in the world if you do that alone. And even if you have a farm, you can also do that. Can plant as many O2 producers. And yeah, I'm not sponsoring Tesla or anything, but try to buy an electrical car, because fuel cars, you know the stuff, you know the drill. They are one of the main reasons to change this climate. And yeah, the other thing, don't use a motorcycle, but instead use a bicycle. Or even if they will invent an electrical motorcycle, go for it. Just don't use anything that's related to producing more CO2 and all that stuff that make climate change happen. And yeah, your garbage, don't just throw it like that. Recycle it. Try to organize each of your garbage. And yeah, even if you don't find in your city that they don't do this, ask for it. Yeah, do it if you have time. And here, as you can see, Mr. Beast with Team Trees, they are asking for $1 for each tree. They're planting trees, I guess. So yeah, you can plant trees in your farm or in your area, or you can actually donate $1 and it will help increase the trees. $10 is like 10 trees, so that's gonna be helpful. I'm not sponsoring them, but yeah, this is like fundraiser event, and I'd be happy if you help them as I do right now. And lastly but not least, yeah, we are going to use the technology and discoveries that reduce the carbon dioxide. So yeah, the meaning of this, that the electricity that you are getting right now could be from fuel and burning coal and all that stuff that makes steam and stuff. All those things are is disaster to our planet, and we should stop them, or maybe we can stop them, we just limit them. How to do that? Try use the two major known things that reduce this, like solar panels. You can, if you have time and money, you can install ones in your house, and yeah, you actually getting free electricity and also helping fight climate change. And even those, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, and nuclear is the way to go, even though there's rumors that it's harmful for humans. Yeah, they should probably have more nuclear plants, but away from humans than if it's really harmful. And that's it. That's like pretty much what someone could do to help this this climate change. And yeah, always stick to getting the world a better place for humans and not a worse place. Sometimes inventions could be bad for us or good for us, so we choose those inventions that helps us and not breaks us. And that's all. That's what I wanna say, my humble opinion. And I hope, including me, we have changed fight this climate change to a better future.